and welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, I will show you 10 words that you are probably pronouncing incorrectly right now and also teach you how to say them correctly. Let's start with this word. How do you say it? I'm say it pronunciation. Pronunciation. And the next word is commonly mispronounced by people as says. But remember, I say, you say, but he or she is says. A very common incorrect pronunciation is etc. instead of etc. And the next word is some pronounce this as often. Often is not wrong. Common pronunciation is with the T is silent. Often. And the next pronunciation is one word that is mispronounced by learners of English is woman. But remember that we say woman for one woman and the women for plural, women. Next word is police. This isn't police and police, it's police. The next word is vehicle. It's often pronounced wrongly as vehicle. It's not vehicle, it's vehicle. H is silent, vehicle. Next word is video. It's not video, it's video. Not video, it's video. If you watch a video on YouTube or FB, you might leave a comment. It's not comment, it's ka-ment. I have heard many speakers say ka-ment. And the next word is hotel. There are two syllables, O and tell. Like tell me, English word tell me, it's hotel. And the next word, now would you say it, break-fast. It's the proper pronunciation is not breakfast, it's breakfast. You know what I had for breakfast today? I need pizza. This word. Really I did. It's not a pizza and it's not a pizza. It's pizza. Thanks for watching.